Assalamu alaikum and a lovely good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in your very good health, enjoying the days, enjoying your lectures and feeling great. So right now we are in our numeracy class and we are again going to learn and play and have fun with numbers. Yes, but today we are going to do something different than like usually what we are doing. So today we are doing the odd and the even numbers. Yes, we've done numbers and we know the numbers, but now we are going to learn something new about numbers. So odd and even numbers, which we're going to do today. Now, there are some numbers which are odd, and there are some numbers which are even, right? So, first of all, we're just going to know that what are the odd numbers and what are the even numbers, and why and how they are different. So the even numbers are, you can say they are like more nice and they are sweet. Why? Because they can make friends and they can share equally. Yes. So even numbers make friends and they share equally. That's why they are very friendly. And odd numbers, they cannot share equally, right? So, and they're left alone at the end. And we are going to get to know that how that happens and how they become odd number and how they become even numbers, right? So we have done numbers like 1 to 100 even. So right now we are just going to pick and choose and see the numbers, right? How they can make friends and how they can share equally. You also share equally? Yeah, that's why we can even be very good friends to others. If you're going to share equally, we're going to share the things which we are eating, we are going to share the things which we are playing with, and share the terms. So that's the way we can become a very good friend. Like our friends are going to like us, and it's very nice to share, right? So today we are going to talk about sharing numbers, those who are the very friendly numbers and who share equally, right? It's good to share equally, right? So first of all, we are going to start with, I'm going to write the number and then we will see whether this number is a good friend or not, right? Okay, so first of all, I am going to write number 4. Okay, so I'm going to write number 4. And now we will see the quantity of 4. Like, let's say we're going to count and draw something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's great. So number 4 and the quantity 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, can number 4 divide equally? Right? Now he has to give 2 stars to his friend and he has to keep 2 stars, right? So number 4 can share equally, right? Number 4 has 4 things. He can give 2 things and he can keep 2 things. So this has a friend and this also has a friend, right? The 2 are friends and the 2 are friends, and that makes 4, right? So that there is nothing left over here. So number 4 has 4 stars. Number 4 is so friendly that he can equally share the 2 stars to his friend, right? Okay, that's great. Now let's see, we're going to look at the other number, right? And now we're going to write 8. Okay. 8. Now we are going to make 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yay, that's great. So we have number 8. And how many apples do we have? We have 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 apples. So now let's see if number 8 can share it equally, right? Now number 8 is going to give me apples 1, 2, 3, and 4. He has given me 4 apples. Now how many apples are left over here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wow. 8 is a very good friend. He shares equally. He has given me 4 apples and he has also 4 apples. So we both are very happy, right? So 8 is an even number. We can share equally and he is a good friend, right? 8 is an even number. That is great. Okay, now let's find out about other numbers. Okay, now this time we are going to keep it a simple one. Number 2. Okay, now number 2 has 2 ice creams. Now let's see. Yay, number 2 has 2 ice creams. 1 and 2. Okay, that's good. Wow. Okay, now number 2 has 2 cones, right? Now he has to give and share it with his friends. So how many cones is number 2 is going to give to his friend? 1. And he'll have 1. He has 2 cones, 1 and 2. Now he's going to share with his friend. So he's going to give him 1 cone. And he's going to have 1 cone with him, right? So 2 is going to share equally. And 2 is a very, very, very good friend, right? So 2 is an even number. Yes, 2 is an even number because he shares equally, right? So remember, 2 is an even number. Okay, that's great. So we are going to find out one more. Let's see. Okay. We did 6 before. We did 4 before. We did 8. We didn't do 6. Okay, now let's find out what 6. Okay, we're going to write 6 and we're going to make 6 things. Okay, now we have 6 candies. Does it look like a candy? Yes, it does look like a candy. 6 has 6 candies. And let's see if 6 can share equally. We're going to make the candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm just drawing it roughly, so don't look at the drawing like we are only learning about the numbers. Okay, now how many candies do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right now 6 has to share equally. 6 can share equally, right? Now he's got 2 more friends, right? So 6 is going to give 2. Okay, we are going to keep only 1 friend, right? Because we have to eat more candies. So 6 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candies. So she can give like 1, 2, 3 to the friend, and she can keep 1, 2, 3. Wow. She can have 3 and she can share 3 with the friends. That's nice. So 6 is an even number because 6 is a very good friend and 6 can share equally with the friends. That's nice. So she can share 3 candies and keep 3 candies. Wow, that is great. So 6 is also an even number. That's nice. Okay, so okay, now the last we're going to do number, we're going to do number 10. Okay, 1, 0, 10. Now let's see if this is an odd number or an even number. Okay, now what should we draw over here? We did candy, we did ice cream, we did what else we did? Candy, ice cream, and star. Okay, now this time we are going to draw lollipops. Okay, now let's see how many lollipops have number 10. Okay, I'm making big lollipops. I should make small one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, first of all, we're going to count how many lollipops do we have over here. Like we have number 10, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now Mr. 10 can equally divide them. He can give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to his friend, and he can keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. So 10 is an even number. He can share equally, and he's a very good friend, right? So this is an even number. So today what we have seen, that we have seen, like there are a couple of even numbers which we have discussed, and now I'm just going to write down. We have 2, number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 10. Right? We drawn all these? Yeah. So they were all good friends and they shared equally. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are the, yes, they are all even numbers. They're all very good friends and they're all share equally, right? So that's why we call them even numbers. That is great. So this is about even numbers we did today. Okay, so we are going to practice and learn a lot more about odd numbers and even numbers, both of them, right? So today we have just discussed about even numbers, which are the even numbers and why do we call them even numbers. And now we're going to practice it more because we have to learn a lot more about odd and even numbers. So you are going to practice that at home. Yeah. So this was a numeracy class today in which we have done even numbers, and I hope you have enjoyed it and the concept is clear. We're going to do a little more exercises in the next class, right? a little more activities as well. So you need to enjoy and you'll learn the concept even more clearly. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Till we see each other, inshallah, I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.